Find the volume of a spherical pyramid having a spherical axis of 28 degrees and a radius of 9.2 centimeter. Again, find the volume of a spherical pyramid having a spherical axis of 28 degrees and a radius of 9.2 centimeter. This is the question to be answered here in the Premier chat box. Good luck! Hello Genians! Our video for today is about H-word problems. Now, I will give you two sample questions. The first question involves two persons, and this question was given during the Civil Engineering Board exam last November 2015. And the second one involving three persons. The first question: if Anna was 4 times as old as Billy 8 years ago, and if Anna will be twice as old as Billy 8 years hence, how old is Billy now? To solve this problem, it's much better if you will tabulate the ages if there is a present, past, and future ages involved. Now here, see, if we have the solution here, and we fill it, for example, we let the present age of Anna to be A. This is the present age. And the age of Billy, we will let it as B, as the present age also of Billy. This is for Anna. And the other one is Billy. Now, we will tabulate their ages. If we have the present and the past and the future, and we have two people here involved. We have Anna, and the second one is Billy. Now, here, if Anna was 4 times as old as Billy 8 years ago, that means 8 years ago is their past age. That means if the age of Anna, which is A, minus the 8 years ago, and the age of Billy also, which is minus 8, because 8 years ago. Now, here is another statement here, and if Anna will be twice as old as Billy 8 years hence, that means, hence, means the future, so plus 8, and Billy also plus 8. And of course, their present age is equal to A and B. Now, from this, we can make an equation of this one, basing from the statement on the question. Now, here, if Anna was 4 times as old as Billy 8 years ago, so 8 years ago, the age of Anna is A minus 8 and Billy is B minus 8. Therefore, Anna's age, which is A minus 8 years ago, is equal to 4 times as old as Billy 8 years ago. This is equation 1. Now, the second, we can make an equation also. If Anna will be twice as old as Billy 8 years hence, that means their future age, which is equal to Anna, is 8A plus 8, and twice as old as Billy, which is the age of Billy, is also B plus 8. You can have equation 2. Therefore, if we have to, we'll simplify the first equation or the second equation, up to you yan. If I will simplify this one, I will let A is equal to, transfer this one on the other side, so you have 4B minus 32, because 4 times 8 is 32, minus, plus 8. Simplifying this one, A therefore is equal to 4B minus 32 minus 32 plus 8 is equal to how much? 24. It's 24. So we have equation 3. We can have it this equation 3. Now, we can substitute this one in this second equation. So, 4B minus 24 plus 8 is equal to, of course, 2B plus 16. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Now, 4B minus 2B is equal to 16 plus 24 is equal to 40. Think around 40. Because this one will transfer, this one will become plus, minus 8. Therefore, 2B is equal to 32. Simplifying this one, the age of Billy, present age of Billy, therefore, is equal to 32 divided by 2, which is equal to 16 years old. This is the age of Billy now. The present age of Billy, which is equal to 16 years old, which is the one we're looking for. Now, our second age word problem, it involves 3 persons. Mary is twice as old as her friend Lenny. Lenny is 5 years older than Jane. In 5 years, Mary will be 3 times as old as Jane. How old is Lenny now? Now, to solve this one, of course, we will let M age for Mary, L Lenny's age, and J is for Jane's age. Now, of course, as I've said earlier, tabulating the present, past, and future ages is much better. So if we will, there are 3 people involved here. We have Mary, we have Lenny, and we have Jane. Now, if we talk about the present age and the future, so there is no past here, no past involved. So here, it said here, Mary is twice as old as her friend Lenny. So the present age of Mary is twice as old as her friend Lenny. Now, of course, Lenny's age, for example, this is Lenny's age now, because we're looking for Lenny's age now. So we will let L is equal to the Lenny's age now. So Mary is twice as old as Lenny. So 2L. Then of course Lenny the present age. And Lenny is 5 years older than Jane. That means the age of Jane is Lenny's age minus 5. Now, and future, of course, 5 years after, so 2L plus 5, and the present plus 5, and the present of Jane is plus 5 also, because this is in 5 years. Therefore, from here, we can make an equation. Mary is twice as old as her friend Lenny. Lenny is 5 years older than Jean. Then in 5 years, Mary will be 3 times as old as Jean. That means in 5 years, that means these are their ages. So Mary's age is equal to 2L plus 5 and is equal to 3 times as old as Jean. So what is the age of Jean in the future? It's equal to L minus 5 plus 5. Therefore, we can simplify this one. 2L plus 5 is equal to 3 times L is equal to 3L. And 3 times 0 because 5 minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So 0. Therefore, simplifying this one, L therefore, which is equal to Lenny's age now, is equal to 5 years old. This is the one we're looking for because, see, this is the one we're looking for. 3L minus 2L is equal to L. So, what is remaining is 5. So, L is equal to 5 years old. This is the one we're looking for. Now, before I will end up this video, I want to say thank you very much for all my supporters from the beginning and until now. I am very grateful for your continued support. Thank you. Before I will end up this video, I will give you first the solution to the problem I gave last premiere. 5 years ago, Mamita's age was half of the age she will be in 10 years. How old is she now? The solution, we let M is equal to Mamita's age now. Now, Mamita's past age is equal to M minus 5 and Mamita's future age is equal to M plus 10. Now, the equation, basing from the question, is equal to M minus 5 is equal to 1/2 times M plus 10. After simplifying, the answer therefore is equal to M is equal to 20 years old. And nobody got the correct answer.